Welcome back to Sugarbush Trail. Today, I've got a simple but powerful tip to help make your holiday tree look fuller, brighter, and even a little more magical. Let's jump right in. First up, here's an easy lighting trick to add depth. Start with a second set of lights and place them deep inside the branches, closer to the trunk. This inner glow will give your tree a layered effect, making it look fuller and creating a warm, cozy atmosphere. Now for the ornaments. Try this. Place larger, simpler ornaments inside the branches. This helps to fill up space and adds dimension to your tree. Then, layer smaller, detailed ornaments on the outer branches. This little trick adds texture and makes the tree feel fuller without needing tons of extra ornaments. For a final touch, add a few sparkly ornaments or icicles near the lights on the outer branches. These will catch the light and add a soft shimmer that brings extra holiday magic to the tree. And there you have it! A few easy steps to make your holiday tree look brighter, fuller, and a little more festive. Thanks for tuning in to Sugarbush Trail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own tree trimming tips in the comments below. Happy holidays!